guys, Kevin Shaw here, editor-in-chief of Mopar Connection Magazine. It's another road trip. It's gonna be a big one, and I'm on my way to Fort Worth, Texas. Our 1969 Dodge Charger project, what we call Brazen, has been with Painless wiring, Painless Performance wiring. We always had a bit of an electrical problem. Obviously, we're talking over 50 years old of wiring technology in that V body. And second of all, with our fuel injection, our electric fuel pump, we had a transmission controller, we had a lot of electrical. Every time those fans kicked on, we were pulling off the battery. Every time we were at a stoplight, we were on the battery. So we were wearing out the battery pretty often. So in talking with Dennis at Painless, he said, you know, we're actually looking at building a really good, a really stout wiring harness for the B-body. Do you think we could borrow your car? I said, oh my gosh, it's yours. You know, tell me when. And we're really excited. We're the first of 3 B-bodies that they're working on. They're really looking at honing this new harness. We're going to show you all the neat details about the bulkhead fitting and all the neat little tricks that they did for us that were unique to our application, but could also work for you if you're running EFI, if you're doing a 3rd gen Hemi swap, even better. There's a lot of really cool tricks and a lot of flexibility in this wiring harness. I mean, we got the battery in the trunk, we've got fuel injection, we've got the fuel pump, we've got the fuel regulator. Holy cow, we got a bunch of stuff on there that just was not intended to be on this car in 1969. Plus, holy cow, to crank our 11 1/4 to 1 stroker motor, we got to use a big Power Master starter, and that sucks a lot of juice. So it just takes a lot to make this car run the way it should. So we are absolutely floored, totally grateful to Eric and Drew and the whole team at Painless. Now, here's the big thing was we had quite a few transmission issues prior to getting the car running. And although Painless did everything they could do to get the car running, we actually couldn't propel it because of the transmission. So we are very grateful to Greg and Rodney and Josh and Marty at Phoenix Transmissions here in Weatherford, Texas. Phoenix Performance Transmissions, a lot of you guys might know them because they get their hands involved with a lot of big diesel applications with Jeep 4x4 rock crawlers, hot rods. They sell repitched torque converters. These guys absolutely are a full service facility, and they gave us a whole bay for half the day, and they had a line a mile long. I think their wait time is something like 3 to 4 weeks just because of demand from these guys. And Greg was kind enough to let us pull the Charger in. We were barfing ATF out of one of our coolant lines. We had total misaligned shifting. We couldn't get the stinking thing in park. I mean, holy cow, it was a mess. So they took it all apart. They were very quick. They were very gracious in letting me cut in line and eat up so much of their time. And now, I mean, we burned the tires. So I wish I got footage of that, but we were running way out of time. Like, they were closing up shop at 5. Painless needed us to leave at noon, and we were wearing out our welcome, and that's on me. We had been there way too long. So we're strapped down. We're gonna make the 12-hour drive back to Nashville. Needless to say, Painless absolutely transformed this car. Transformed this car. Brazen's back, baby. Brazen's back. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, leave a comment, and even share it with your friends. We definitely want to help the Mopar Connection YouTube channel grow. It's just the beginning of our efforts to do some video content for you that will supplement our articles that we publish every single day, entirely subscription free to you at moparconnectionmagazine.com. So make sure to check us out. We're entirely subscription free. Subscribe to the newsletter. You won't be disappointed. Guys, thanks again. We'll see you soon.